Hi guys, in this particular video we're going to learn some basic command that we can use in AutoCAD for modifying our drawing. So, some of the command that we're going to learn such as trim, extend and offset. Okay, we're going to have a look each one of them in more detail after this. Okay, towards the end of the tutorial, hopefully we can come up with this particular drawing here. All right. So, okay, let me try to draw the first object first and try to apply the command trim. Okay, let me start to proceed. All right. Okay, first we're going to draw that particular line, right? So we're going to call the command line command. L stand for line. Okay, after that, you're going to enter the coordinate 4, 0, enter 4, 6, enter. Okay, now you already have one line. Then you're going to escape. After that, you're going to draw another line. Okay, call back the command for the line L, enter. Then after that, you're going to enter the particular coordinate 0, 3, enter, followed by 8, 3, enter. Okay, then after that, you're going to press the escape button on the keyboard. So you already have the drawing. Let me try to zoom that particular drawing. So it's going to be much easier for us to have a look. Zoom, then enter. After that, you're going to press A and enter. Okay, now we have much better look here, all right, at the drawing or the object. Now you're going to apply the command trim, right? So what you're supposed to do, you have to call the command. Okay, you're going to enter TR, shortcut for the trim. Then after that, you're going to press enter. Okay, now you're going to ask you which part of the object that you want to trim. Okay, you're going to bring your cursor. Okay, this is the part of the object that you want to trim, right? So you're going to click on it. So automatically, you're going to trim that particular part only. So after you have done, you have to press the escape button. Okay. Okay, we have done with the trim command. As simple as that. Now we're going to proceed with the, okay, we have already done with this particular part here. All right, now we're going to proceed with the extend command. Okay, okay, the same thing we're going to proceed. We're going to use the line command. So enter L, stand for line. Okay, after that, you're going to specify the first coordinate, 10, 3, enter 16, 3, enter. After that, you're going to escape. After that, you're going to draw another line, call back the command line, enter 13, 0, enter 13, 1, enter. Okay, then escape. Okay, as you can see from this particular figure here, okay, we have one line in the horizontal, another line in the vertical, which is shorter. So we want to extend this particular line here. So what you're going to do, you're going to call the command extend. So come to command line and enter EX. Okay, shortcut for the extend, you're going to enter. After that, you're going to, okay, bring your cursor. If you bring your cursor to this particular line, you can see, okay, that line automatically going to extend towards the end of the another line. Okay, come here, click. That's all. You already extend the shorter line to become a longer line, so that you're going to touch the edge of the another line there. All right. So after that, you're going to press escape button. Okay, we have done with the extend command. Now we're going to proceed with the multi-line command. Okay. All right. To apply this particular multi-line command, okay, what we're going to do, we're going to draw this particular square here. All right. So let me try to proceed. Okay. Now you have to execute that command, right? So come to command line and use the shortcut ML, stand for multi-line. Then enter. After that, you're going to specify the scale, right? So select S and enter. Then after that, you're going to give the distance between line, which is 0.15. Then enter. After that, you have to specify the starting point. In this particular case, supposed to be 18, 0, then enter. Okay, as you can see, I didn't touch my mouse at all. I'm just using the keyboard to enter all the value. Now we want to use the relative coordinate. Okay, just now we have proceeded with the absolute coordinate. Now we want to draw the multi-line by using the relative coordinate. So at 4, 0, enter. Then after that, at 0, 4, enter. Then at negative 4, 0, enter, then add 0, negative 4, enter. Okay, now you cannot see anything, right? Press escape first, then come back to the command line and type zoom. Okay, then enter, then after that select A, enter. Now you can see the square here. Okay, we have completed this particular square by using the multi-line command. But there is a small hiccup there. As you can see on this particular edge here, okay, the line is not connected. Okay, this is the problem. How are you going to overcome this problem? Okay, just now, if you notice, okay, on the previous slide, okay, we have entered the fourth coordinate, relative coordinate. Okay, because of that, you're going to come back to this particular end point here. Okay, this is the starting point, right? It's going to be the end point as well. Instead of doing like this, we're going to repeat back, but this time we're going to use the command C. Okay, we're going to enter the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, but as for the fourth coordinate, you're going to use the command C. Okay, delete this object first. Okay, select. Then after that, click delete. Now you're going to repeat this process. Okay, come back to the command line. Okay, enter ML. For the multi-line, enter. Then after that, you're going to specify. You're going to select S for the scale. Enter. Then after that, you're going to specify the distance between the line, which is 0.15. Then you're going to press enter. Then after that, you're going to specify the first coordinate for the square, which is in this case 18, 0. Then enter. Then after that, the first relative coordinate, add 4 unit in the x-axis, 0 unit in the y-axis. So 4, 0. Enter, followed by alias 0, 4. Enter. Then after that, alias negative 4, 0. Enter. Okay, now at this particular point here, you're going to give a command C. Then after that, enter. Now you can see we have a perfect square there with the multi-line. All right. So we're going to proceed with the next command. Okay. Now we're still going to apply the offset, but this time we're going to apply the offset command on the circle. Okay. Now we're going to draw a circle. Okay. At this particular coordinate here with the radius of 2. So call the command for the circle. C for circle, enter. Then you're going to specify the radius 2. Then enter. After that, you have to specify the center point first. So escape, call back the command. C for the circle. Okay, now you're going to specify the center point for the circle, 13, 10. Okay, enter. Then after that, don't worry, don't bother about the drawing. Just use the keyboard to enter all the relative point first. Okay, then the radius 2, and enter. See, you already have the circle. As usual, you're going to use the zoom command and have a look at that particular drawing. Enter A. There you go. You already have the circle. Now, next step, we will use the offset command to make another larger circle. Okay, notice that you can use the command offset to create smaller circle or larger circle. It depends on us. Okay, now you're going to call the command offset, OFFSET, command offset. You're going to enter. Now you're going to specify the offset distance. In this particular case, it's going to be 0.2. Then after that, you're going to click or press enter. Now it's going to ask you, it's going to prompt you which object that you want to be offset. Okay, in this particular case, in this circle, right? So if I click this particular circle, I can bring it in or I can bring it out. Okay, both also going to be correct. It depends on you whether you want to create a larger circle or smaller circle. If I bring my cursor into the circle, it's going to be smaller circle. If I bring my cursor, okay, outside the circle, it's going to be much larger circle. So this time I want to create a larger circle, right? I bring my cursor outside the circle, then I click outside it. That's it. I already have one bigger circle with the offset of 0.2. As you can notice, my cursor still in the square, right? Because the command still active. So I have to press escape so that it can be released from the previous command. All right, let me move on. Okay, this is some of the additional information for you to use the selection. Let's say if I click any part of the space here, drawing space here, let's say I click, then I release, you can notice, right, there is a one green color. Okay, this green color, okay, whenever I touch the object and I click, it's going to select that particular line only. Okay, if I come back to my left hand side, okay, I press escape first, then I come to my left hand side, I click the mouse and release, you can see I bring down, it become blue color. Okay, for the blue color, I have to select the whole part of the object, then only it's going to be selected. Okay, did you notice that just now? If I click on my right side of the object, okay, I bring it to the left side, okay, going to turn to green color. When I touch any part of the object, it automatically going to be selected. Okay, I don't have to select the whole part of the object. Okay, whereas if I click any part of the drawing space, let's say I click here, then I bring it down. Okay, it's going to turn to blue color, right? This time I have to select the whole part of the object so that it can be selected. See, we have two different type of selection. Either you're going to click, bring it down from the right to the left, or either you're going to click on your left side and bring it to the right side. Okay, there are two options for us to select the object. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you have learned something new. See you again in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.